Good morning, fourth grade. It's Miss Trevino. This is some reading assistance help for the Ansel Adams quiz that you have for Miss B. So if you're in Miss B's class, this is for you. If you're not in Miss B's class, then you don't need to listen to this video. Okay. So students in Miss B's class, if you do need help with reading, or if you would like someone to read you the questions at home, you can have them read them to you for reading assistance, and then if not, you can listen to this video and I can read them to you. What I would want you to do if you're going to use this video is have this tab open and then open the tab with the quiz on it so that you can pause my video and go back and answer your question and then come back and play my video so I can read the next question and then, like I said, go back to your test. Okay, that way you can go back and forth. So this is your Ansel Adam quiz. So you're gonna read, you're gonna reread it and then answer the questions. Okay. How is this text organized? Using a compare and contrast pattern, using a problem and solution pattern, using a chronological order pattern, so sequencing, or using a descriptive pattern. Okay, so is it compare and contrast, problem and solution? Is it chronological order, which is sequencing, or is it a descriptive pattern? Okay, so go pause my video and go back and reread your text. Use text evidence and then answer your question and then come on back. Okay, number 2. What is the central idea of the text? Okay, central idea. So what is the main idea? Ansel Adams is a celebrated photographer who brought attention to the need to protect natural areas. Ansel Adams enjoyed vacationing with his family when he was a teenager. Ansel Adams knew the importance of protecting the environment after spending a summer working in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Ansel Adams is best known as the founder of the Sierra Club. Okay, so remember the strategy for central ideas. When you read those and you read those answer choices, you ask yourself, is this what the story was mainly about? Okay, so go ahead and pause that. If you need to go back and reread your text, go do it. But pause the video, go do that, and answer your question, and then come on back. Okay, number 3. Excuse me. Which evidence supports the central idea of the text? Ansel Adams was a famous American photographer and environmentalist. His love for photography began on a vacation to Yosemite National Park when he was 14 years old. When Adams was 17, he joined the Sierra Club. Adams spent as much time as possible in the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Okay, so pause the video and go answer your question. Number 4. What amazed Ansel Adams that inspired him to first take photos? So what amazed Ansel Adams that inspired him to first take photos? His parents? The natural wonder of Yosemite National Park? The Sierra Club and the Sierra Nevada mountain range? Tourism. Okay, so this seems like a question that you're going to go back and read the text. Go back and use your text evidence to find the answer for this. Okay, final question. What sentence supports the idea that other people enjoyed Ansel's photographs? This is where he took his first photos. This club is dedicated to preserving the environment. He was able to build a full-time career as a photographer. His images captured the national parks prior to major tourism. Okay, so again, go back, use text evidence to find all your answers. And good luck, and let me know if you need additional help.